Jamaican businessman and philanthropist Dr. R. Danny Williams has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica's business giant and philanthropist Dr. R. Danny Williams has died. Williams, who is a former cabinet member, was reportedly ailing for some time. He is the founder of the country's first Jamaican-owned life insurance company, Life of Jamaica, now Surgical Life Jamaica. Former Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable P.J. Patterson, in his tribute to the business model, said that he ranks within the highest accolades of committed leaders who have contributed beyond measure to the growth and esteem of our island. He was a towering giant in the fields of business, education, institution building, and deserving charity causes, Patterson said. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness, has sent condolences to the family, friends, and loved ones of the businessman R. Danny Williams following news of his passing on Saturday. In a tweet, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said, "As a government minister, businessman, and philanthropist, Williams made a remarkable contribution across various fields and expressed that his death is deeply saddened. I send heartfelt condolences to his family, loved ones, friends, and colleagues. May his life and legacy continue to inspire us as we recall the gratitude and his service to public life and within the private sector, which has positively impacted the Jamaican landscape." Honey's tweet read, "The passing of the Honorable R. Danny Williams was a foremost Jamaican businessman, former government minister, and philanthropist who made a remarkable contribution across various fields, has deeply saddened us. May his soul rest in peace." Former leader of the opposition People's National Party, Dr. Peter Phillips, also expressed sadness at Williams' death. In a statement, Phillips said, "Williams was truly a great Jamaican, a pioneering spirit who contributed tremendously to the development of his country and its institutions." We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.